Hey, random people out there on the internet. So I've been real busy, put out a couple of videos and, well, done some work on 2 or 3 projects. And, I'm going to let you know my shop's a mess. Okay. But what I thought we'd do is we'd just go ahead and take a minute and show you why it's important, or at least helpful, that you have a well organized shop. So here we go. First of all, been using my track saw, use my brad nailer, use my circular saw, pins, levels, etc., etc. But the real mess is in here. So, mid-stroke projects. I am horrible about just set it down, go on, set it down, go on. That's the way I make progress. But the way I have my shop organized, we're going to see how quickly I can at least straighten it up. And start that clock. First thing happens, the DeWalt battery won't come out of the DeWalt. There we go. This guy goes over here. Put this one on the chargers. And my little square goes up here. Like that. Can't do the bits until I get the bits out of here. I guess I did do that. So we'll just put them up. I have to take them back out. Take them back out. been looking for you. I'll just put this guy right here. All right, except for the stuff I'm actually working on. Got everything put up. Takes a couple of minutes, maybe brush off the sawdust, blow the shop out and whatnot. So cameraman, how long was that?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes. From being a complete total wreck to being somewhat organized, 10 minutes. Again, the reason is I've tried to make it so that it is much easier to just put stuff up than it is to scatter it out. That way I don't find myself stopping in the middle of something, losing track of my thoughts and whatnot while I'm trying to, oh, well, let me go put this over here, go put this over there. The heck with it. I just wait till the end and then I take care of it. So by the way, I got my turntable built. If you ever decide to do this, I think that you should know that these, what did I do with them? Thought they were right there. Oh well. These present an interesting issue when you go to put them on. So think about this. These screw into the top and those screw into the bottom. How would you do it? You have to drill an extra hole right there. That way, when you have the other part attached, you just turn this to find the screw holes, drill your screw. Boom, boom, boom. So, good information to know. Upcoming videos, I'm going to finish my holder for this guy, figure out where I'm going to put him. Then from there, I'll get back onto my loom. The next part of the loom project is planing it down, and I discovered that it's got a little bit of a hickey going on down there I'm not too fond of, so I'm just going to cut this guy off. So, Winona, if you're watching, it's not going to be 36, it's going to be more like 32, but I think that you'll like it anyway. So that'll be the next thing I get to show you guys, is using my DeWalt 735 planer to try to plane this out. So that's coming. But as always, I appreciate your views, your shares. I appreciate everything with regards to my channel. Help me grow it. Maybe show a couple other people there's an old man out there playing with his tools. And I hope you enjoy it. But most importantly, as always, be safe.